The cashier said strip down facing me. I didn't realize she meant my debit card. You're welcome.
All right, so we just came into town because today is Jeremy's birthday and we went out for supper. So now we're heading into Princess Auto. We got a few things that we need to get. So we're gonna head on in. Where'd Sam go? Peek, hiding in the tires. Look cute in there. My favorite area, the surplus. Yeezies. I need batteries.
Battery.
This is a cool area too, the all seasons. They have a lot of different things that come in handy. More locks. This is the area we got this stuff for our chicken coop too. The watering and the food bowl. Here's something we need, a meat grinder. We have one, but it's manual, so we'd love to have an electric one. Sam wants this, a sausage making kit.
I also want this.
We love making sausages though, or eating sausages.
Thing ever.
Oh yeah. So many fun things in here.
Yeah, and it's also about and a workout.
Oh my soul. Pretty cool though. This is definitely on our list of things to get soon.
And so is this.
You got what I'm looking for. I broke mine. The latch I broke. I went out and I locked it, and I forgot to bring the lock, so I had to break it, so now it's like useless. It's a plastic one. This one's a metal one, so it's better anyway. So this is for 30 cal. That's usually what I shoot, so it's good. It's a good little one I can take to the field. It's perfect.
I need lots of batteries for the trail cam and other projects, so I'm gonna pick these up as well. Looking everywhere for them and they're right at the front.
Patrol.
Yeah. Setup. It's funny. Yeah. You're staging. Isn't that too high? Because you want it to go down low.
No, because you gotta
put one up to it. Right, you gotta butt up to it, yeah.
Wait, when you're using this in '86, you would think you'd be using it in 2022.
Yeah. I like to keep my tools to the very end, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll probably use this hammer burn to build my own coffin, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But then when I go, I want the hammer.
To build my own coffin, yeah.
I want the hammer.
Drew the last nail, threw the hammer in, and then laid in it.
dangerous.
You're dangling down, Greg. Oh, man.
Pulls your head in.
Just cuts my head off.
Oh my goodness. That'd be bad. What the heck?
It's just Maynard. Dead.
It's awkward.
Limbo.
Yeah.
You want me to go up?
Yeah.
Are we in? You're up
Looks
there?
like it.
Looks good over here. Can you see?
Yeah, it's tight.
Looks cool. Yeah, I know, eh? Whoops!
This makes so close to my face.
Looks good.
All right, so that's all sheeted in. So as you saw there at the end, I ended up cutting off that piece that I had left because we were going to put the 2x4 strap. Remember we said that? We were going to put the 2x4 strap and then put it up to that to hide that top plate. Well, we changed our mind, ended up sheeting it up to it. And then when we put, most likely like a hemlock siding, I'm assuming, I really like that for siding. That'll bring it out, and then we'll maybe just put a little piece of some sort of a trim to hide the rest of the plate. But it'll all work out by the time we're done. But this gives us a nice clean finish now and saves us putting all those extra 2x4s in there.
Yeah.
And this'll work out too anyway. Because if we did the 2x4s, we would have actually built it down probably too far. So then you get the 2x4, then you get the sheets on there, and then you get the siding. So you would have kind of hid the beam a bit. I didn't want to do that, so we wanted to be able to see the beams, and we'll give it a nice clean finish when we're done.
Mm-hmm.
It looks good.
I love it. It looks really good.
Yeah, so now obviously we just, there's two little pieces where the beams go in that are cut out, like two tiny little pieces of plywood we got to put on, or OSB. So we'll put those on, and then we'll just wrap the whole thing here next.
Yep.
And then it'll be windows and doors.
Yay.
Oh, yeah, and
think so.
then soffit.
Yeah.
After that, the soffit, the dreadful soffit.
Yeah.
But yeah, so
We're
it's
getting
looking
there.
good. I like it.
I do. I like it too. Yeah. I was not sure because I really liked like the front porch and like looking up and it just looked cool. I was like, oh, I don't know about looking up at plywood, but it looks good. I do really like it.
And we'll finish it off with like pine boards or,
Oh, yeah.
or with the siding itself, right? Just maybe run it a different direction or something. That always looks nice.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right.
See you later.
See ya.